welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, today I am here and to share a very special tag video. This is the first time that I'll be doing this tag video, but nobody tagged me. Yeah, so nobody tagged me. I'm just doing it on my own. So let me just check the questions that I have. So the first and the very important thing is today's video is about a lipstick tag, which I forgot to tell you. But yes, this is a lipstick tag video, and I'll be answering few questions that are there on the internet and probably you would like to know. And yeah, I'm gonna share that and make it little bit interesting for you. So keep on watching, and before you start watching the video, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to Makeup Mistress. This will really mean a lot. And I'm Pamela. I'm a makeup artist and a YouTuber, and I'm really active on Instagram. So yes, go and check it out. My Instagram ID is Pamela_MakeupMistress. So let's not just waste any more time and jump into the questions. So this is my phone, which is a very normal phone. So these are the questions that I will be answering for all of you guys. I know you can't see, forget it, I'll just read them for you. So the first question is, how many lipsticks do you have in your collection? So apart from the lip palettes that I do have 210 lipsticks. Number one reason is I am not a lipstick hoarder. Number two, I do buy all my lipsticks as of now, but I know soon the brands will be sending me over. And yeah, and the thing is that I am not an impulsive buyer. Whatever I buy after thinking a lot, and I do have few, like around 10-15 lipsticks that I definitely not wear at all, and you know, they are just staying in my vanity for years now, at least 4 or 5 years now, and I don't want to throw them. I don't know why, but yeah, they're there. Other than that, all are like, you know, I buy them, I use them, I finish them, and I just discard them. Being a makeup artist, I do need lipsticks a lot, and I do have colors and shades that are really great for my clients, and they do really end up, you know, I just finish them up and I'm losing on words. So I do finish them up, and then I have to buy another one. So the next question is, which was, okay, if you want me to do this total how many lipsticks actually you want to see them, then let me know in the comment section. I'll make one Instagram reel, a very interesting one, which is really old because people have done, and I am really lazy to do that because I need to take out all my lipsticks, and my lipsticks are always like here and there because I have a vanity which I carry to my client's place. I have some for my client which I store them right in the studio itself. Few are there which I carry on my purses, and you know, so on and so forth. And yeah, so I have different segregation. So ek sath sab kuch nikal ke karna, it's a very tedious job. So the next is, which was your first ever lipstick? So me being a makeup lover since the time I was born, and I was a dancer, so I really had lipsticks like forever. You know, I used to get to buy lipsticks forever, and वो सब नहीं है, 30 सालों तक कोई नहीं रखता. So I don't have those. But the day, you know, I started loving, you know, lipsticks, and bought it with my own money. You know, I started earning when I was in class 9, standard 9. I started earning, and I was a dancer that time. I used to dance for Doordarshan and you know, the government channels. So that time I used to get money. But then at that time I started earning money from there, like through my dance shows. But I never bought lipsticks or makeup with that money because I used to buy things for my mother and father and you know, stuff like that. But makeup, always my parents, my father and my mother, they used to get for me. And the first makeup, when I started really loving makeup, and I started knowing different brands, because when I was younger I only knew Lakme. Trust me guys, I'm an 80s born kid, and I just knew Lakme because my mother used to use Lakme and मुझे सिर्फ Lakme पता था. And when I started knowing Maybelline and this that time I was बहुत बड़ी हो गई थी. And that time this lipstick was really new in the market. And let me tell you, this is kind of a live chat और वैसा कुछ हो रहा है I think. So that time I was a teacher, okay, and I started teaching from the year 2006 onwards, and I taught for 10 long years. And so 10 सालों तक मैंने पढ़ाया. And then when my students were like, you know, growing, they were in class 10 and 12, and they were like doing makeup and this that, and I was like, okay. And they were like, you know, ma'am, this has come in the market, this is new, and this is so good, and this is bougie, kind of, you know, stuff like that. Even my Facebook account was actually opened by my student, okay. So I was really unaware of all those stuff. And so that time this beauty was launched. This is the Maybelline Superstay 14-hour lipstick, and trust me, the shade was not that great because because I didn't like it. And this is the shade number 030, Never Ending Nude, and I was really into nude that time, you know, बहुत नया था. This is the year 2014, 13, 14 ऐसा था, and nude was really in that time, and I got for myself this shade. So I'll just give you a swatch. I can't wear this because this is like, I don't know, this is expired. But पता नहीं क्यों मैंने इसको रख दिया. I think after doing this video I'm gonna throw this away. And this is actually 14-hour guys. मतलब ये shade इतना बढ़िया नहीं था मतलब मेरे complexion के लिए, but the quality of the lipstick, this was really expensive, you know. That point of time it was something around 500-600 rupees, if I'm not wrong. I don't know, this is made in USA and stuff. मुझे याद नहीं है मैंने कहाँ से लिया था. I don't think the Nykaa was much of a thing. I think I got this from Amazon or Flipkart, I don't remember right now, but yeah, some online store. That is the reason this shade was like, you know, sort of didn't work for me. And if I ever like, you know, wore something bright and I wanted to make it, arey yaar, this hair was so disturbing. And oh, got it. So, and what was I saying? Anyway, so this was then bought. And okay, yes, I was saying if I had to wear something bright and I need to keep it for long, so what I used to do is I used to top that lipstick with this, and उससे क्या होता था, it was used to stick, and it used to stick like forever, trust me. And this was such a great, you know, lipstick at that point of time. Okay, इतना ही एक ही टॉपिक को लेके कितना पुराने सारे बातें. Okay, it's okay, like kind of a chatty video. What is your favorite brand of lipsticks? Okay, so I have many. Trust me, I have many. Number one, if I have to say, is I love Sugar. Number two, I love Maybelline Ink. I love Anastasia. I love Colourpop. I love Pack. Okay, so yeah, way too many, so I love these. Okay, next is what's your favorite finish? It's absolutely matte. I love matte lipsticks. Okay, how do you store your lipsticks? I'll just add a clip to show you how I store my lipsticks. So I have, like, you know, different ways of storing. So yeah, have a look. Oh, excuse the mess. And ये सारे ना यहाँ पे ऐसे खड़े रहते हैं, but you know, somehow they fell. I was searching for some. So this is how I love to, you know, make them stand, but yeah, they're falling. But now I keep them like in these acrylic stands, and few of them are like here inside this pouch, and there are so many pouches to keep, you know, different lipsticks. So yeah, this is how I store my lipstick. What lipstick do you use to rock a red lip? Since I told you that I'm a makeup artist and I do need red lipsticks a lot, and for red lipsticks is I love this PAC Sweet Sensation Lip Cream in the shade 09 Boss Lady. This is the shade. So this is the shade. I'll show you a swatch of it. And this one, this looks ravishing when you wear it. So I have worn this a lot of times, guys. So I'll try to wear them and just give you a slide running right here, you know, while wearing that shade. Next is number 10 from Sugar, Matte as Hell Liquid. Okay, sorry, this is Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drop Dead Red. So this is Drop Dead Red number 10. So this is the shade. They are like different, but they are all red. Next, obviously every makeup artist loves this shade, and all the clients too, they do love this shade. This is none other than MAC Ruby Woo. This is the one, you know, OG shade, and this is how the swatch looks like. The brides, if you are here, if you're watching my video, if you want a great lipstick on your wedding day, you can go for any of these shades. They look amazingly beautiful. Now the next one is my total favorite. This is from ColourPop. This is in the shade Creeper, and this is the swatch. This is the swatch. This looks so beautiful. The brides, they look divine in this shade, and look like in all the shades. And these are the red lipsticks that I love and I just swear by, you know. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So the next question is the most disappointing lipstick I ever bought. Okay, I was really keen on buying Huda Beauty when Huda was launched and everything, but when I bought this, I have a whole video running right there on my channel. This is the shade Icon, and this one I got from Nykaa, and I did a wear test because these are so expensive, man. These are around 2000 rupees and they should be staying on your lips forever. Trust me, they should be staying on your lips forever, but they didn't, and this is why I will take this lipstick's name as the worst purchase ever, because the price and everything is way too high, and you know, the outcome was not so great. So I'll leave the link down in the description. Please watch it, and yeah, if you are like, you know, totally agreeing with me, please let me know. If you aren't, then also let me know. Show us a lipstick that makes you stand out. So the day I started to know the brand Sugar, I bought the first lipstick was this. This is number 08 Wine and Shine, and you know, I love this shade. Whenever I wear, everyone asks me what is the shade that you're wearing, and this is what it looks like. And I'll show you this wearing in, like, I'll also keep like post a picture or a video right there so that you can see how I look after wearing this shade. So this is Wine and Shine from Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lip. This is Wine and Shine from the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick, and I love it, and it actually helps me stand out. Okay, next is, which is your most expensive and most inexpensive lipstick? Okay, so the most expensive lipstick, the two most expensive lipstick that I have are not bought by me. Somehow I didn't get to buy them, but I do have. The first one is, this is the NARS. This is Charlotte from NARS, and this is how the lipstick looks like. And if you need a swatch, then I'll definitely give you. So where do I give the swatch? Okay, so this is the swatch. This is Charlotte from NARS. This is Charlotte from NARS, and this is one of the most expensive lipsticks that I have. Another one is this. This is the second most expensive, and the first most expensive is number 580 Fascinante. Fascinante, yeah, it is what it is written. I don't know. So this is number 580 Fascinante, and this is from the brand Dyer, and this is the shade. This is such a beautiful shade, and I love this shade. This can be worn everywhere, but this is not you know, totally transfer proof, so this is the one thing. But this is my most expensive lipstick. This is from Dyer, and this is the number 580 Fascinante, and this is the packaging, guys. Just look at the packaging. It is just engraved right here, and it looks beautiful. Okay, the most inexpensive lipsticks that I bought recently, these are from Inside Cosmetics, and they are priced at rupees 81. I mean, they are priced at rupees 90, but I got them at rupees 81, and this is in the shade Ferocious Pink. Let me just show you the shade. This is Ferocious Pink. This is kind of a dusty pink shade, and this is beautiful. They are absolutely matte, and they won't seem to be very inexpensive, you know. They seem to be very luxurious, trust me. And this is the shade. Oh my god, look at the condition of my arm. All right, let's move on to the next question. Which is your favorite lipstick at the moment? Okay, and so the favorite lipstick that currently I'm like loving, this is Catnip from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Which one is your most worn lipstick? So undoubtedly this one. Just look at the condition. Well, ये condition मैंने नहीं बनाया. This is done by Ginger, none other than Ginger. And well, if you don't know, Ginger is my Cocker Spaniel. He's 2.5 years old, and yeah, he's very naughty. The matte ink lipsticks are love, and this shade is Ruler, and I love this shade. I love matte nude pinks, and this is what the shade looks like, this one. And this is so beautiful, so stunning. Fragrance is also good. You know, guys know that I love good smelling products. Okay, next is like, love or addicted to lipstick. I love lipstick. I don't like se thoda zyada hai. It's love, but I'm not addictive. Next is, what lip products are you currently lusting for? I really want to try Fenty Beauty lipsticks, and yeah, and maybe some Huda Beauty bullet lipsticks too. And yeah, that is it. So that was it for today. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys really soon with some new content. Till then, stay gorgeous.